In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trailer hitch bezel on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get started. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove these two screws that are at the bottom. There's one on each side. Hopefully yours aren't too rusty. These ones are in decent condition. A lot of times these do rust and they get stuck in here. And with these two off, you'll see that the bottom now is not attached anymore. Use a trim tool if needed. Pop that off. I'm going to pop these clips out of the bumper cover so I can install them on the trim piece side. That way, when it's ready to clip in, it can clip into the bumper. It'll be easier to line up just overall. Use a little pocket screwdriver, pop these out. If they're in poor condition, which these are a little rusty, but they still work. But if they don't work, of course, replace them so that you can properly secure your trim piece. There we go. And to put them on the trim piece, you just slide them on these tabs where they hook onto. Make sure they're seated all the way. And this one over here, there should be 3 in total. Now, take your trim piece, line it up at the top here. All 3 clips should want to lock in when you press them. There we go. And all we need to do is screw it in at the bottom. Reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws. Make them snug. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.